Welcome. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Peace. I'm wonderful. It's great to see your beautiful face in person.
Thank you. Yes, I know. Well, I see yours all the time. I'm always watching your videos. So
I love it.
I forgot.
Well, wonderful. I'm glad that you could join me. Everybody, whenever you watch this video, we are meeting just for a check-in. This is the illustrious Wisdom Divine. I'll type her name in the chat, and you can look up her IG. Now, Wisdom, if you want to tell us a little bit about what you do, and then I want to go into how we know each other and, talk about Womb Hand Clan. But before I do, is it Wisdom, WYZDOM _
Correct.
DIVINE, right?
Right.
All right.
Correct.
Well, let me do that. But yeah, if you want to take it away and just go ahead and tell us about yourself, your business, and your gifts, that'd be wonderful.
Oh, sure. Thank you. I'm just going to put it in a little there. Here I am, so that way anybody can find me on the chat.
That's even easier. Okay, great.
Yeah, well, I would run a spiritual, intuitive healing practice. So I am a healing practitioner. I practice several types of healing modalities. Shamanic practitioner is one of them. I'm a card reader. I do Reiki, a Reiki master. I saw you do Reiki as well. Mm-hmm. Energy worker, dream interpretation, lots of things, just different things that I call my healing toolbox.
Yeah.
Whatever it takes for me and my clients to get down to the root. Mostly what it ends up being is shadow work. So that's why I got a couple of people that dub me the shadow shaman, because we get down, deep into those shadows to find out what are the real underlying issues of what's causing different things in their life. And so sometimes it's physical issues, sometimes it's cycles that they keep going through. They see them popping up. They see, their bosses, they see their relationships, their loved ones, or they have wounds to heal with their mother or childhood, inner child wounds appear a lot. So anything that we can do just to kind of dig down deep and get in there to help bring relief to people's lives,
sure.
So they can start living the lives that they deserve to live. Because I believe that none of us were here meant to be in pain and suffering all the time. So that's what I do.
Wonderful. That's great, because it's good to know. You got a new follower from David Van 09. He said he just followed you. That's good to know, because coaching women with natural fibroid elimination and natural womb healing, and even in the womb Reiki that I do, definitely would love to be able to refer people to you in the way of that deeper work that needs to be done for inner child and shadow work, because I can't do everything. So we definitely, need to continue to connect on that. But everybody that watches this video now in the future will know that they can reach out to you specifically for that, and I'll be referring people to you because that's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot. But just talking to you a little bit, the backstory is she is also a member of my Goddess Mastermind. I'm honored to have a soul so intuitively gifted and just this type of energy, which lets me know I'm on the right track, actually, to even have been connected with you, because talking to you has opened up a lot about, me with my intuitive awareness, and, it definitely confirmed a lot since we've met and linked up. So y'all definitely reach out to her if y'all have not done your shadow work. If you don't even know what it means, because that was the first masterclass offering for my private Goddess Mastermind. It was all about shadow work, but it was kind of a more entry level. Hey, Gloria! She won the last womb challenge in the free version of my Womb Hand Clan group on Facebook. Yeah, so it was kind of a beginner's entry level. Dip your toe into the work that we need to do in order to make sure we're covering all the bases to get fibroids to start shrinking. Because we have to address the negative emotions, the conscious things that we may be thinking about, as well as things that are in our subconscious that we don't even know. And that's kind of what the whole purpose is of the Goddess Mastermind. So I wanted to know so far, because I know you've been in there going on